it. Hey everyone, welcome back to History Pulse. Have you ever wondered about those satisfying rip and stick sounds that hold your shoes, jackets, and even stuff in space together? We're talking about Velcro, and its invention story is absolutely wild. It all started in 1941 when a Swiss engineer named George de Mestral went for a walk in the woods with his dog. When he got home, he noticed both he and his furry friend were covered in burrs. Instead of just brushing them off, his curiosity took over. He put one under a microscope and discovered a brilliant natural design. Tiny hooks on the burrs were clinging to the tiny loops in his clothes and his dog's fur. 8 years of experimenting later, he perfected the synthetic version and Velcro was born. An everyday frustration turned into a game-changing invention. Isn't history amazing? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more surprising stories.